Good day everyone, I'm Colina from the CRIM 2C. Today I'm gonna discuss to you the Edwin Sutherland's Differential Association Theory. Edwin Sutherland's Differential Association Theory is a foundational concept in criminology that explains how people learn to engage in criminal behavior through social interactions. The theory has 9 tenets and each outlines a different aspect of how criminal behavior is learned. Here are 3 tenets I chose along with the individual discussions of each. The first tenet I chose is criminal behavior is learned. This tenet emphasizes that criminal behavior is not inherited or a result of biological traits, but something acquired through learning just like any other behavior. This challenges earlier ideas that crime is innate or caused by biological deficiencies. Sutherland argues that people became criminals through interactions with others, particularly within intimate group, example, friends, family. This learning includes the techniques of committing crimes and the motives, drives, rationalizations, and attitudes. In essence, this view makes crime a social product rather than a personal defect. The second tenet I chose is the principal part of the learning of criminal behavior occurs within intimate personal groups. People are most influenced by those they are closest to, like family, friends, and peers, rather than through mass media or impersonal communication. This tenet underscores the importance of close relationships in the transmission of criminal values. If someone grows up in an environment where criminal behavior is normalized or justified by trusted individuals, they are more likely to adopt those behaviors themselves. It explains why crime often runs in families or prevalent in certain peer groups or neighborhoods, not because of genetics or poverty alone, but because of social influence. The third tenet is a person becomes delinquent because of an excess of definitions favorable to violation of law over definitions unfavorable to violation of law. This is the core of differential association theory. It means that individuals weigh the ideas and attitudes they are exposed to. If they encounter more pro-criminal values than pro-social ones, they are more likely to commit crime. This tenet introduces a balance scale concept. If the number or intensity of definitions that support law breaking outweigh those that support obeying the law, criminal behavior is more likely to result. This idea makes criminality a learned choice, not a compulsion, and helps explain variations in criminal behavior across individuals and groups. It also highlights the role of social context, change the definition someone is exposed to, and you can potentially change their behavior. That's all. Thank you.